I think I've discovered a way to revive or recover a dead channel. If you upload videos on YouTube but you don't get views, you've been here on YouTube for years, for months, but you don't see any results. No views, no subscribers, no monetization, nothing is happening on your channel. Or if your channel is under a shadow ban, the strategy that I'm going to share with you can recover your channel from shadow ban. And if your channel is dead, this strategy will literally recover your channel, and your channel is going to begin getting views in no time. As usual, before I share a strategy here, I always do a test on the strategies. Now, the strategy I'm going to share with you, I did a test on this strategy using 3 channels. 1 channel was actually under a shadow ban and 2 channels were dead channels. So I did a test on this strategy using these 3 channels, and guess what? The results were amazing. These 3 channels, as I'm talking right now, they are monetized. So to make it real quick, in this video, I'm going to show you how to revive a dead channel, how to revive a channel that is under a shadow ban, to quickly begin getting views, getting subscribers and watch hours, and get monetized in a short kind of a period. And now, before I show you how to apply this strategy, let me first show you how to check and see whether your channel is under a shadow ban or whether your channel is dead. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to YouTube Studio to test whether YouTube channel is under a shadow ban or whether YouTube channel is a dead channel. Now, the difference between a YouTube channel that is under a shadow ban and a dead YouTube channel, if your channel goes to shadow ban for a long time, it's going to end up being a dead channel. And for your channel to be put under shadow ban by YouTube, it literally means that you're breaking some rules. You went against some YouTube community guidelines, because once your channel goes against some YouTube community guidelines, YouTube is going to put your channel under a shadow ban. And when you keep on doing the same mistakes or keep on breaking the same community guidelines, your channel is going to be under shadow ban for a long time, and at the end of the day, your channel is going to end up being a dead channel. So this is how to check whether your channel is under a shadow ban or if your channel is dead. So what you do from YouTube Studio, as you see, this channel has over 20,000 subscribers, and what if I told you that this channel is under a shadow ban? And I'm gonna prove that. Now, I have 2 channels right here. There's this channel that you're seeing right here, and there is this other channel that you're seeing right here. And this channel has 2,900 subscribers, well as this channel has 20,000 subscribers. Now, what you're going to do to test whether your channel is under a shadow ban is this right here. So you click at analytics right here on your YouTube Studio dashboard. What you do next, you go straight to content right here, and from content you click at videos. You have to make sure that you've clicked at videos here, and after that you go to the filter right here and you filter for the last 90 days, as you see what I'm doing right here. Now, once you're done clicking at 90 days, don't look at the average view duration, don't look at the impression, don't look at views, but just look at impressions. Now, if you filter your channel analytics for the last 90 days and your channel has at least 20 videos, the impressions should be above 100,000. And if you find out that the impressions are not above 100,000, just know your channel is cooked. All right, let's prove that. As I said, this channel has 20,000 subscribers, and my second channel here has 2,900 subscribers. So I'm gonna check this channel as well. I'll go straight to analytics right here, and from analytics I'll click at content, and from content I'll click at videos. You have to do this when your channel has at least 20 long form videos. After clicking at videos, I'll click on the filter right here and filter for the last 90 days. Now, when you look at the impressions here, you realize that this channel, even if it has a small number of subscribers, it has 600,000 impressions. Now, for those that don't know what impressions means, impressions simply means how many times YouTube shows your videos to people. Now, for this channel here, in the last 90 days, YouTube has shown the videos of this channel to 600,000 people. Every time you're on YouTube and you scroll through YouTube, you're giving these creators what we call impressions, and impressions give you chances to get clicks, and once you get clicks, you're going to end up having views. So the trick I'm going to show you, it's going to help you trick the algorithm, promote your videos, because impressions, it is the same thing as promotion. Yes, YouTube promotes your content. YouTube shows your videos to people out there, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. All right, let the strategy begin. Now, what you're gonna do next on the second step, in your YouTube Studio, you click at settings right here, and after clicking at settings, you go straight to permissions right here, and in permissions, you're gonna click at invite right here, and once you click on invite, you're gonna see this. There is email and there is access. Okay, so you need to have an email that you use on this step. You need to have an email address, and I'm not meaning the email address that is linked to your YouTube channel. You need to have a different email address. And now, once you get that email address, you put it right here, and now what you're gonna do next is to click at access right here, and you're gonna see these options. You're gonna click at manager right here. You choose manager. Make sure from these options you choose manager right here. And now once you choose manager, you click down right here and they'll ask you to actually prove whether it's you giving permission to this email to access your channel as manager. Okay, you have to actually prove them, and after that you have to open your Gmail account or Gmail app or Gmail website, whatever you call it. You have to open it and accept invitation. As you see right here, this is how it looks like. You just click right here and then you accept invitation. And now after accepting invitation, when you log into that new email on your YouTube studio, this is how it will look like. It will show you that you are a manager, as you see this right here. And now once you confirm that this shows, what you're going to do next is to wait for 7 days without uploading any content on your channel. You have to wait for 7 days without uploading any content on your channel. This is a must. Now after 7 days, you're going to begin uploading content on your channel, and this time around you're going to begin uploading content strategically. You will stop uploading content on your channel using your main account. You're going to use this managing account to upload content on your channel. And secondly, when uploading content on your channel, make sure that in the description of your channel you don't put a lot of hashtags in the description. When you flood a lot of hashtags in the description, this will seem like you're spamming the system, and the system can trigger a shadow ban on your channel. I recommend putting 3 to 5 hashtags in the descriptions of your video, but don't put more than 5 hashtags in the description of your videos after performing this strategy. Now after that, the second thing you have to do is right here, tags. Now when uploading videos on your channel, always make sure that you put tags in your videos. As you see, you have up to 500 characters to put tags in your videos, so always make sure that you put as many tags as you can, up to 500 characters. There is a difference between hashtags. These are hashtags and tags, because these are tags right here. There is a difference between tags and hashtags, so don't put a lot of hashtags in the description of your videos, and put as many tags as you can in your videos. Now after that, the other thing you have to correct every time you upload videos, it is right here, altered content. I've been talking about altered content, and in this video I'm going to also mention altered content. Now when uploading your videos, always make sure that you check yes or no, because if you don't check yes or no, YouTube will refer that as you're not following the YouTube community guidelines, as they mention it right here. To follow YouTube's policy, you are required to tell us if your content is altered or authentic. So always make sure that you check yes or no. And when should you check yes? You should check yes if you use AI to create your content, and if you don't use AI to create your content, you should check no. And now after performing this strategy, I recommend you begin a challenge on your channel, a challenge of uploading videos for 30 days, a 30-day challenge. This challenge has actually helped me monetize the 3 channels I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Those channels had the same issue of shadow ban, but after performing this strategy on those channels, I began uploading videos on those channels for 30 days every single day, and the result was monetization. So if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, perform this strategy, and after performing this strategy, begin a 30-day challenge, uploading videos on your channel every single day, and make sure that the videos you upload contain value for your viewers, and those videos should be in the same niche.